I was very happy with Awit ng Lupa. Kung hindi masaya yung iba, pake nila. Ikaw yung masaya eh. Di
I
ba?
like that. If you, syempre merong mga taong gustong subukan. Pero medyo meron silang fear dahil nakita na nila sa'yo kung paano ka binash dun sa music na ginawa mo. And what would you say to them, to these people who would want to start creating music with AI pero they're scared of being judged the same way?
Alam nyo, i-explore nyo lang. Kasi kung masaya ka sa output na yan, dapat unang-una ikaw yung masaya. Kung hindi masaya yung iba, pake nila. Ikaw yung masaya eh. Di ba?
I like that.
Hindi, ganun lang naman yun. Arts, for one, is the expression of the artist. So when you create an art and it makes you feel happy, contented, or satisfied, no, that's an art. And then when the artist is happy with what he or she feels about his or her creation, it will resonate with the output and people will accept it. I was very happy with Awit ng Lupa in the first place. Sabi ko, ay, ang ganda sayawin. Ay, ang sarap pakinggan. Ay, parang gusto kong grounded ako. Then people started listening to it then. And hindi ako nagkamali. Nagustuhan din nila. Kasi gusto ko siya. Parang
It's
ganun.
like how you felt about it, ganun din yung na-feel nitong mga tumanggap nung
Surely.
musika mo, no?
Yeah. I think yun.
So masasabi mo ba,
yun.
at the end of the day, who defines your artistry? Ikaw o yung audience mo?
You define your artistry. Ikaw mismo. 'Di ba? Artistry mo 'yan eh. Kung hindi nagustuhan yung iba, ganun talaga yung art. It's not for everyone. It's subjective. A beautiful painting like
The Mona Lisa.
the Mona Lisa,
O
yun
the
iniisip ko.
Spolarium. O, sa sarili
Spolarium.
natin. Diba?
Iba-iba ilang interpretation, iba-iba ng hatak. Ayoko yan, creepy. Pero
ang
the
dark,
artist,
ang morbid.
ang dark,
Yung
yeah.
ganun, no?
Grabe naman, may hinihila. Diba? At hindi naman siya masyadong Pinoy. It's Roma. Parang ganun. Pero people can interpret it like the General Luna. Alam mo yun? They created something similar to Spolarium. Ganun, example lang naman to, no? So, iba-iba ng tao, iba-iba yung epekto. So, yun yung art. So, kung hindi nagustuhan, it's still an art. Kasi hindi nagustuhan. Pero, when you look at the other side, maraming sumayaw nito, maraming nakinabang nito, maraming sumaya, at maraming mas proud naging Pinoy because of the sound and how it tells about lupa. Parang lupang hinirang kasi yung interpretation nila. Kailangan kong kalagaan ng lupang hinirang. Ang lupa ko, yung lupa. Parang ganun yun. May nababasa akong ganung comments. Nakaka-proud maging Pinoy dahil ang Tagalog naman yung lyrics, of course. And it speaks about where you live. Lupa. Tayo lahat. We all came from lupa din.
Yeah.
And we
from
all
the earth.
will end up
Kaya
sa
may lupa eh.
Ay. Oo. Sila yun, mga may mga lupa. So, ganun yung epekto sa akin. You define your own artistry. The people who will discredit your artistry, baka hindi naman sila ganun yung hindi para sa kanila yung art.
Hindi para
kasi
sa
hindi
kanila.
Naman,
Hindi sila yung target market. Parang
So
mga
it doesn't
pagkain yan, di ba? Yung kahit...
hindi sila target market. It's a different issue, but yeah,
It's somehow it's like that. They're not the people who are meant to consume the
they're not
content
meant.
that you create.
Sa paligid, ako ang lupa, baya't matatag. Sa bawat sugat lupa'y